Hello friends, my name is Lavis and I have over 8 years of experience in digital marketing field. In this video, I will guide you how to select the best keywords for Google Ads success in 2025. So please watch this video till the end because in this video I will show you the four important formulas for finding the best keywords for your Google Ads that will gonna improve your conversion you can or it will boost the ROI of your Google Ads campaign. So why these formulas are required in the Google Ads? Because Google Ads is now more complex in 2025 and the traditional keywords method aren't enough for top performance, and we need some strong formulas to generate a better results. And these formulas provide expert level precision for maximum ROI. Okay, and you will learn how to optimize ad spend and how you can attract qualified leads, and you will scale the profit. So the first formula is finding the high intent value keywords. So what is the formula is high value keyword equal to specific problem solved plus customer stage of journey plus relevant action verb. So, what makes a high value keyword? First, the, a keyword is a specific problem solved, provide a solution to the specific problem. So, what exact pain point are they trying to solve with this keyword? What is the exact pain point are you are trying to solve? Example: pain relief shoes for plantar fasciitis was just shoes. So second is customer stage of journey. So you can say, are they researching, comparing, or ready to buy? Okay. Example as if people are searching for best products, if people are searching for the reviews of the products, if people are getting some informations and understanding how to use these products, and they are like in the journey of buying some products, or they are researching the price of these products. So you can understand the journey of your users, and based on that you can research the keyword or find the keywords. And the third is relevant action verb. What actions are they looking for, or what do you want them to take? For example, they are looking someone, they are hiring for something, they are looking someone, they are finding something on the internet, they want to download something like ebooks, and they want to get something, or they want to order something. Okay, so how can you use these keywords? So you need to first brainstorm the problems. You need to think like your customer. What are their exact challenges? What challenges currently they are facing? And based on the challenges, you can start researching the keywords. Then you can map the journey, like you can identify what their journey is, if they are in the awareness phase, if they are in the consideration phase, or decision making phase. Then you need to combine these elements, you need to build specific long tail keywords using the formula parts. And what are the impacts? So you the impact is you will attract high qualified leads and boost conversion rates. Okay. The second formula is negative keyword savings. So how you can waste the ad spend, and with this formula you can like find out where are you wasting the ad spends, and how you can invest your money in for the right keywords. So the formula is monthly wasted spend equals to total irrelevant clicks per month into average CPC. So how you can use this formula? You first need to regularly review your keywords. You need to consistently check your Google Ads search term report. Then you need to identify irrelevant terms. You need to spot queries that don't align with your offerings but got clicks, then you need to calculate impacts. Use the formula to see how much money these terms are costing you, and then you need to add this keyword to your negative list. You can immediately add these terms to your negative keyword list. What is the impact of this formula? You can direct your budget only to valuable traffic and dramatically improve your ROI. The next formula is quality score improvement. With the better quality score, you pay less and get a good position in the Google search ranking for the ads. So what are the pillars of the quality score? The pillars of the quality scores are keyword relevance plus ad copy relevance plus landing page experience. So, what are the core drivers of quality score? The first one is the keyword relevance. How well does your keyword match the user query? And the solution for this is use tight themed ad group. And the second driver is ad copy relevance. Does your ad text speaks directly to the keyword and intent? The solution is include keywords directly in headline and the description of your Google Ads copy. Okay, and the third driver is landing page experience. Is your page relevant, fast, and user friendly? The solution is create dedicated optimized landing page. So how you can use this formula? You need to type the ad groups. You need to group very similar keywords for a maximum focus. Means you can create 4 to 5 ad groups, and in in each ad group you can add similar kind of keywords, so it will going to improve the relevance of the ad groups. Okay, then you need to create a tailored ad copy. You need to write ads that perfectly align with your targeted keywords, and then you need to optimize the landing pages. You need to ensure seamless, relevant, and fast user experience. Your landing page has a good, like, is blazing fast experience and provide the relevant information what the user is searching for and why visitors is visiting your website. And then the experience of your website or the web page is very smooth, like you do not have any broken links on your website. You do not have any things that are not relevant to there. So you need to fix all the errors of your landing pages. The landing page must be mobile friendly. Okay, so what is the impact of this formula? You will have a lower CPCs. It will gonna improve the ad positions and you will gain a good comparative edge. So the fourth formula is long tail conversion opportunity. So this is the why you need the long tail keywords. And the long tail keyword, why each long tail keyword is very important. This formula suggesting exactly what, why the people and the many Google Ads experts using the long tail keywords. So what is the formula of the long tail keywords? So long tail keyword value, the formula is long tail keyword value equals to lower competition into higher intent into specific match to user needs. So why long tail keywords are gold? Because long tail keywords have a lower competition, fewer advertisers bid on these very specific terms, and the benefits are reduced CPC. Second is higher intent. Users are usually further down the purchase funnel, and the benefits are more qualified leads and sales. And third is specific match to user need. Your ad directly answer their precise query, benefit higher conversion rate. So how can you use this formula? You can brainstorm question problems. You can think about what are their questions, what are their problems, like what they are trying to search. Think about how to best for reviews, product models. Okay, you can find these keywords in some tools, like you can leverage tools like keyword planner of Google, SEMrush keyword planner, Hrefs keyword planners, and people also ask a section in the Google search results. And then you need to focus only on the specificity. You can target keyword like best cushioned running shoes for marathon training with flat feet versus only running source, because long tail keywords has the higher impact and people generally convert more on for the long tail keyword as compared to the short tail keywords. So what are the impact? The impact is you will drive higher qualified conversion at a lower cost even with a less traffic volume. The final thought, please implement these all the techniques or formulas I have said with you and start measuring the performance. And also you need to like test, continuously optimize and test if it is working. If it is not working, make some changes and align your Google ad strategies with the formula I have given. I am 100% sure this formula, if you will implement, it will gonna definitely improve your ROI and boost your conversions. So if you have any questions, please comments. I will definitely try my best to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because I regularly publish this type of videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you.